In this video, we are going to learn how to change the heading color in WordPress. Right now, as you can see, we are into WordPress admin dashboard, and in the left side toolbar, we are having an option of appearance. When we move our cursor over the appearance, we see a customize option. You need to click on that. Now we are into the customization. As you can see in the left side toolbar, whatever the change you make automatically gets displayed in the right side, right? So as you can see, this is the home page of our website. Let me open any article, right? So you come to know about the heading changes perfectly, because here we have used various different types of heading like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6, right? And in the left side toolbar, you need to go to the background, you need to go to the colors. Okay, scrolling down and then headings, and here you can simply change the heading colors, like you can change the color of H1 heading, right? You can select whatever the opacity of that color you want. Similarly, you can change color of headings altogether, right? From all headings, you can change the heading H1 color separately, individually, right? You can select the H2 heading color, right? And then H3 color, whatever the color you want, right? So as you can see, our H1 heading color is somehow different, H2 is different, H3 is different, right? You can change the H4 heading color, right? So this is how you can simply change the heading color in a WordPress website. Apart from that, if you want to learn more about WordPress, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to WordPress with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.